we ask you to receive and bestow the blessing to our brothers and sisters who will be commissioned as members of the liturgical music ministry of our parish. Angels Choir, headed by Sister Jacqueline Paracas. Call Me Maria, headed by Sister Infa Villar. Our Lady of Fatima Choir, headed by Sister Christy Zamora. Covenant Choir, headed by Sister Army Ferrer. San Isidro Labrador Choir, headed by Sister Lina Espaliardo. Cantante Domino Choir, headed by Sister Joy Lopilla. The Magnificat Choir, headed by Sister Kathleen K. Sabaran. Choral de Santa Cecilia, headed by Sister Loida Vinalay. Musica Fatima Choir, headed by Sister Joanna Santos. And Youth Music Media, headed by Brother Maki Ingenere.
Ladies and men who have been called to service in the church as of the liturgical music ministry. As just church workers, you must be examples of Christian belief in faith and in conduct, so that we will be able to hear the voice of God through songs that uplifts the spirit. To carry out this ministry, you will